Take a ride in the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, CD player, power windows, fog lights, security system. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.